Understanding chest pain in English. Hello everyone. Today, we'll delve deep into the phrase, chest pain. For many of you, this phrase might be new, but by the end of this video, you'll understand it completely. Let's jump right in. Chest refers to the front part of the body between the neck and the stomach. It's where your heart and lungs are located. Think of it as the protective cage for some of your vital organs. Pain is an uncomfortable feeling that tells you something may be wrong. It can be anywhere in your body. So, when combined, chest pain means an uncomfortable feeling in the front part of your body between your neck and stomach. This could be a sharp pain, a dull ache, or even a burning sensation. Understanding health-related terms is crucial, especially if you're traveling or living in an English-speaking country. If you or someone else experiences chest pain, it's essential to communicate this accurately to medical professionals or anyone around you. The phrase can signal a range of issues, from heart problems to digestive issues or even anxiety. Let's look at how you can use chest pain in a sentence. 1. I've been experiencing chest pain for about an hour. 2. Do you have any medicine for chest pain? 3. He went to the doctor because of his chest pain. By practicing these sentences, you'll become more comfortable using the phrase in your daily conversations. And that's a wrap on chest pain. Hopefully, this explanation has shed light on its meaning and importance. Remember, understanding and effectively communicating health-related terms can be vital. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you in the next video.